Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. A very important update and it's complete details about the seats wherever it has got increased. Okay, as you can see on the screen, I will tell you like which courses and in which state, which medical college, and whether the seat or got incremented or newly course added in that college. Okay, and from which number to how many number of seats available now. Okay, so before if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it. Okay, and you can also avail our counseling guidance which is paid, and there you can get assurance that you can get the best possible seat in your rank and based on all your preference. Okay, you can also join the telegram group. In that telegram group I will be sharing these screenshots. Okay, I have got 4 slides. Okay, and you can also download our application. We will share these details over there as well. So the seat got incremented in anesthesia. Okay, and you can see in Karnataka in Adi Chunchandgiri. Okay, there are 3 seats added which already had is in the existing branch, and now from 9 to 12 seats are there in anesthesia in Kerala. Okay, there's new private medical college, and 2 seats are approved for this private medical college, Sri Uthradon Academy of Medical Science, Trivandrum. Okay, in the branch of anesthesia only in Madhya Pradesh, LN Medical College has got 7 seats added. Very good news. From 8 to 50 now, and these are approved seats. Anesthesia High Tech Medical College in Odisha, just one private medical college in Odisha, has got 6 seats added in anesthesia. Okay, in Kalinga, which is deemed university, got 10 seats in added in anesthesia, and which is just doubled from 10 to 20, and it's definitely going to impact the cutoff positively. In Rohilkhand Medical College, Bareilly, which is UP, 5 seats added from 9 is had now 14 seats. In anesthesia in West Bengal, in eye care. Okay, this is new college got approved and it has got 7 seats in the first year itself. Okay, now talking about dermatology branch, I will talk about main clinical branches only. In dermatology in Gujarat, Adani Medical College, Bhuj. Okay, 1 seat added, and now it has 2. In Tamil Nadu, Sri Mukambika, which is in Kanyakumari, 2 seats added in dermatology. Now it has 3 seats. In Uttar Pradesh, in Tegadar College has got 3 new seats, which was not available in dermatology. Prasad Medical College has got new seats. So we see that the colleges which got added last year, okay, they are now getting clinical seats. So it can impact the cutoff positively in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is known as one of the states where you can get the seat in low score. School of Medical Science, Greater Noida, has got 2 seats added. Now the seat is double from 2 to 4. Okay, so many places you can see their seat got added and it's just doubled. In Subharthi Medical College also 1 seat added from now is 2 to 3. Okay, in emergency medicine, in all these colleges like SD Kolar, Malabar Medical College Calicut, Chirai Medical College Bhopal, LN Medical College Bhopal, Kalinga Deemed University, Sri Lakshmi Narayana Pondicherry Deemed University, Mukambika Private College in Tamil Nadu, Subharthi Private College in UP, RKDF New College in Bhopal. These all got emergency medicine seat. RKDF has got forensic medicine, not emergency medicine. So these are the seat details. Okay, for a set of colleges. Gradually we will getting more seats, and it is giving indication just in few colleges you got these many seats added. And what about other colleges? We are expecting more seats by 15th of September, which is the last date of inspection. Okay, general medicine seat, which is the most important point. Okay, SBKS. Okay, that is only Sumandi Vidyapeeth Baroda is the only deemed university in Gujarat, has got 13 seats added, and now the seat is doubled, 13. Okay, now is 25. So it's going to give so much of positive shift. Okay, so I believe that the government or NMC is planning to do something behind this huge number of seat increment in big colleges, which is related to NMC. But only the time will tell. how the NMC going to get implemented, on what terms and condition, because the seat increment is very good. In Kerala, Al Hajar Medical College, 2 new seats and new added course in these colleges. Coming to Kalinga, 9 seats added, and it goes just double there, from 10 to 19. So we are happening to see in deemed university the seats are getting doubled in some of the clinical branches. Then Medical College Ludhiana DMC, 4 new seats added. Sri Mukambika, 3 new seats added, and the seat got doubled just there. In Tamil Nadu, SRM Trichy, SRM Medical College, deemed university, 9 seats added, and earlier it was 50, now is 24. Talking about pediatric seat, first of medicine in eye care, 2 new seats added, and it's a new college. Okay, so here you have the details of new course added and seats added in existing colleges. Let's talk about pediatric seat in Haryana. Adesh Medical College has got 4 new seats. Acharya Sri Chandar College Medical College Jammu, okay, ASCCM College has got 4 new seats, okay, and in Kerala one college has got 2 new seats, and these are new courses. Amaltas Medical College in Madhya Pradesh has got 6 new seats. Vedanta in Maharashtra has got 9 new seats. Eye Care Haldia has got 3 new seats in pediatrics, and Tagore Medical College Chennai Private Medical College in Tamil Nadu has got 3 new seats. Now talking about psychiatric subject, in Andhra Pradesh NRA Medical College has got 3 new seats. Earlier it was 2, now it's 5. Gujarat Gujarat Adani Medical College in Bhuj has got 2 new seats in psychiatry. Haryana Adesh Medical College has got 3 seats. There was no psychiatric medicine last year. In Haryana only SGT College had the psychiatric medicine. Okay, that's good news. Whoever wants to go for Haryana. In Karnataka, East Point is the new college, has got 3 new seats. In Kerala, 2 new colleges. Narayana Institute, okay, has got 2 new seats, and Uttradam Academy has got 2 new seats. In Kalinga, 3 seats added, and in psychiatric also the seat got doubled there. In Uttar Pradesh, Prasad Medical College has got 3 new seats in psychiatric, and in Andhra Pradesh, radio oncology, radiotherapy, very rare branch, has got Vishwa Bharati Medical College Kurnool has got 5 new seats. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, Sri Mukambika has got 2 new seats. Talking about the topmost demanding branch, radio diagnosis, in Kerala, Malabar Medical College has got 2 new seats. In Madhya Pradesh, RKDF, 2 new seats. Okay, and in Katihar Medical College, 4 seats are added, and it has 7 seats now. Earlier it was 3. In Ops and Gynae, High Tech Medical College has got 6 seats added, now 2 to 8. Rohilkhand has got 8 seats added, and the seat got double there in Ops and Gynae. In so let me tell you, you can see all these details on your own also. Okay, but I'll tell you which are the most of the colleges where the seat got added. Kalinga deemed university, DMC Sri Mukambika in Tamil Nadu, SRM Eye Care Haldia, okay, and Adesh Medical College Haryana, in Jammu Kashmir one medical college, in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. So mostly in Gujarat, in private college as well as the deemed university, in Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. So there are many more colleges where the seat increment will be displayed over NMC. Okay, these are a few seats. Okay, and it's giving good news. So with this, I'm going to conclude this video, and you can find these details on Telegram group. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.